My name is John Downey. I'm a director at Want Branding, and I worked directly with Papa and Hugo at Leveraged Outbound to improve our outbound lead generation campaigns. And outbound is traditionally pretty difficult in branding in that it's one of those things where a company really starts to look for a branding agency only a few times in their lifetime and when they need one, right? And so it's tough to hit people at the right time through outbound um, in an effective way. But Papa and Hugo really transformed our outbound approach. They looked at things from a systemic view. They said, how can we trigger and identify uh, moments or events in a company's life that will allow us to really land in front of the right people? And so we really appreciated their approach. It was very unique. It was very thoughtful. It was very strategic. And it really helped transform how we think about outbound. So they really did think and bring a different approach to outbound, which really, again, helped us identify the right leads to get in front of. And they were a pleasure to work with as well. So can't recommend them enough to anyone considering a really thoughtful and strategic team in outbound marketing.